How to fix Internet Download Manager not working. So if you want to fix your Internet Download Manager not working problem, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply go with your search, and under search, you need to search for Internet options. Once you go with your Internet options, now you need to just go with connections. Under connections, here you will have LAN settings. Click on LAN settings and then make sure that you've selected the option, which is automatic detect settings, and go with OK. And after that, go with apply and OK. Once you've done with it, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is your firewall. So your firewall might be blocking your IDM. So what you need to do is just open up your settings. You need to search for firewall and you will have the option of firewall and network protection. Just click on it. Once you click on it, now you need to go with allow an app through firewall. Now here you need to go with change settings and then go with allow another app and go with browse and then select your IDM. You can select the file where you have downloaded your IDM and then go with open. Once you've added, then what you need to do is just simply double click on the IDM. For example, if this is the IDM, you need to double click on it and make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions to your IDM right here. Once you've done all of these, now you need to just go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your Internet Download Manager not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.